In today's video, I will share 3 easy methods to resolve the download pending issue on the Google Play Store. The download pending problem can occur if you have initiated the download of any other app before the one that's showing the error. So wait patiently for both the apps to download. Furthermore, it can also occur if app updates are being downloaded in the background. Next, the issue can occur if your internet connection has some problem. You can check the problem with Wi-Fi or mobile data by opening any website in a browser. If there's any problem with your internet, then fix it. Lastly, you can completely resolve the problem by clearing the cache and app data of Play Store. To do so, long press the Play Store icon and open App Info. Now in the storage section, you can clear data. After clearing the data, reopen Play Store and the issue might get resolved. If this video helped you in any way, then consider subscribing.